Welcome back to Business Gossip episode 5. I know I'm a little late putting this episode out, but still, listen, I'm being consistent. This is the next episode, so we getting right into it. I had a little bit of time, so I decided to come on here and jump and chit chat with y'all for a minute. So I really don't have anything really to talk about. I just need to vent as a business owner because y'all know we don't have no friends who understand what we're going through. But I have one best friend that is a business owner. But you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just have to come, look at a camera and feel like you're talking to yourself and just let it out. So, number one, I haven't, y'all, I'm sorry, reading emails. And I'm answering emails, okay? So, it's been a lot going on. But listen, y'all, first of all, I just want to come on here and say that, number one, I owe myself an apology because I have not been celebrating my wins. My best friend has been getting on me about this, and I can honestly say that she's completely right. I have not been celebrating myself. So when y'all put goals in place and y'all reach those small goals, it may be small to y'all, but still celebrate y'all wins, because now because mentally it gets to you, because now I feel like I haven't accomplished anything, but I've accomplished so much in my business within this last year. From 2023 up until now, I've accomplished so much, and I am not giving myself that celebratory win and celebration that I deserve. Like, I've gained over 100, and like last year, beginning of last year, I think I started off at maybe, I don't know, maybe 50,000 followers on Instagram, maybe 50,000. I think maybe 40, 50,000. I'm almost at 170,000 followers today. April 16th, I'm at almost 170,000 followers. That is a big deal. Like, I've learned how to communicate better with my audience. They relate to me. I relate to them. Like, I've accomplished so much. I've even almost reached my goal for the month of $100,000 in 1 month. I've reached it all because I came up with the system, and I am not celebrating myself. I told myself that I was going to go all out, get all these balloons, a cake, and everything when I reached 100,000 followers. I haven't done it. And it's like every time I set a goal and I surpassed it drastically, I always try to set another goal and be like, okay, I'm gonna celebrate that one. Nah, Rashida, you should have celebrated that win before. I should have went and got my balloons. I should have went and gotten my cake, and I should have celebrated myself, because now I feel like I'm not doing enough. Right. And as entrepreneurs, we get this thought in our minds to where we have to keep going. Like, when we reach a certain goal, okay, I know I can do more. But nah, when you reach your goal, sit back and relax. Celebrate yourself. Like, I did it. I'm proud of myself. I don't care how big it is. I don't care how small it is. Okay. You set a goal. So it may have been big to you at some point. So you need to celebrate it. And I'm talking to myself too, because I'm very disappointed in myself that I have been pushing this hard, doing all of this stuff myself. Okay, right now I'm trying to train a VA because I don't have any employees, y'all. I had to let my employees go. So now I am training new people. So right now I'm the marketer, I'm the customer service, I'm the content manager, I'm packer, shipper, inventory, receiving, everything. I have so many hats on right now, and I am doing a damn good job. Okay, I am doing a damn good job managing all of this stuff without very little stress. I'm not even stressed out. But the thing is, I should be celebrating myself, and I'm not, and I'm so disappointed in myself for that. So what I'm about to do today, first of all, I'm about to go get a tattoo, okay? Because if anybody knows me, know how much my daddy meant to me. So it'll be a year, May 4th, that my dad has passed on, and I am who I am because that man raised a beast. Okay, y'all heard me talk about my daddy in my previous episodes, so I got to go celebrate my dad because his 1 year anniversary of him being gone is May 4th. So I'm definitely going to do that, and I'm also I'm gonna take myself shopping. I deserve it, and I'm also gonna go to a little resort and spend a quick little bag on myself, because why not? I deserve it. I deserve it. It's March 16th. No, it's April 16th. And I have crossed over $63,000 for the month. Baby, my goal was 100K. I'm going to surpass that. I'm going to celebrate myself now. Okay. Last year, October, I made 80 something $1,000. But of course, it took the whole month to make that. It's only 16 days in this month, and I'm over half my mark. So yes, I'm gonna go celebrate myself. And even if I don't hit my goal, being that I made $63,000 in 16 days, baby, it's good enough for me. I'm happy. I'm going to celebrate myself. I'm not going to stress myself out if I don't reach my goal, because again, I am doing all of this stuff by myself. So I'm saying all of that to say this, y'all, please go celebrate yourself. If you have just one small goal, I don't care if it's to reach 100 followers or it's to get 2 clients or whatever it is. It doesn't have to be a monetary goal. It can just be a goal that you want to set, for more visibility or more traction or anything it is. But go celebrate yourself. Go treat yourself. Okay? Because again, our businesses don't run unless we run it. And if they're not running properly, it's because we ain't here mentally. We stressing out. We're not doing what it is that we're supposed to do. We're not thinking clearly. And your business is not going to be successful if you ain't thinking clearly. So I do want to say this though, because I want to go live and I want to start being live on YouTube and answering a lot of questions, but I have to kind of get the algorithm to algorithm and be live and ask questions or answer questions that you all may have. I'm live on TikTok right now, but that's let me see what anybody say. Somebody's typing on TikTok. So the content funnel helped me a lot. I know that's right. Yes, I'm telling y'all that content funnel works. Content funnel works. And I also want to congratulate my mentee, Latasia. We have started running her Facebook ads. And like I said, when you start running Facebook ads, like the first few weeks, actually, it's just like an investment. Don't expect too much money out of or any sales from running Facebook ads in the first couple of weeks. Facebook is trying to figure out who you are as a brand, what your customers look like, what type of people you're trying to target, and they're trying to go out and gather that data of who's coming to your website and things like that. So the first few weeks is all about data, all about collecting data, who's interested, who's viewing your content, who's spending more time on your videos that you're pushing out. So it's just a straight investment. But lucky for her, she has made, I think the second day of her running sales, she made 4 sales in one day, which is absolutely amazing for her. That was her first time running Facebook ads. We had her, I did a little strategic way for her to set up her ads. And her second day, she made 4 sales. Her first day, she had 2 sales. So listen, baby was making money. So I'm very, very proud of that. I like to do this because I love to have results. I need results. I like to work with people who like to work and who don't mind putting in the work so that they can get results, because that's what made me happy. I hate being a business coach and nobody really want to put in the work. They see all the stuff. I think people see the success that other business owners have and be like, oh, I want that. But when they figure out what it takes to get that, the thing that it is that they want, they be like, oh, it's too much. This is too much. But baby, it took me 8 years, honey. And I'm still growing. I'm still expanding. There's a lot of things that I have not yet done that I still really would like to do. And I know what it is that I have to do to be able to take my business to the next level, but I'm just not ready to let that thing go yet. And what it is this. It's my studio. I'm not ready to let this go. What it's going to take for me to take my business to the next level is to move. My customer base is not here where I am. Where I am, I only get 3 to 5 sales a year, like literally. This is where I live is not my customer base, and I think that's a lot. I think that's the thing for a lot of business owners too, is that wherever you are, wherever you live, they ain't gonna support you like that. And it doesn't goes for everybody, but it definitely goes for where I live. Baby, you have to leave you got to leave to be able to grow and expand. But I put so much work into my studio. Like, look how beautiful my studio is, y'all. I did this with my bare hands. This was literally like, what is it? A study hall for students. Like, it had a bunch of tiny rooms. So this was like it had like 6 rooms in here, and I just bust everything open, and I did this myself. Ain't nobody help me build this. Now, I did have demolition. They did come in and take all the walls out and do demo, but I built this with my bare hands. Okay. I got on my hands and my knees. My knees was swollen for like 2 years, and I did this by myself. So I think that's why I'm not ready to leave yet, because the amount of work that I put into this thing, and it's not even the amount of money, because it only took me like $5,000 to build all of this. I mean, initially, but of course I added a lot of decorations here and there, but initially it only took me $5,000. I've made that money back by renting this space out, but I think it's just the time and the attachment that I have to it. And I'm just not ready to let this go, because I just feel like I have to take all this stuff and go rebuild it somewhere else. So I think the next time I do it is when I'm actually owning a space, or I'm leasing it for at least 10 years. Granted, and this space is only $600, y'all. $600. So my content studio does not cost me a lot. My warehouse is only $650. So I think that's why I'm holding on to it, because I have to get myself mentally prepared to be able to go from paying $1,200 to now going somewhere roughly paying like $2,500 to $3,000, because I really want to go to Houston. Okay, do it, Lord. I really want to go to Houston, and I seen a warehouse that is the exact layout that I want. I want a flex space with like the office in the front, and then they have like a warehouse in the back, and then I want an extra room or big open space like this for my content. This space has changed the dynamic of my business. Content has changed the dynamic of my business. When you understand content and understand how to speak to your audience, I'm telling y'all, your business will change tremendously. Like it's almost like that's all it took. Like once you figure your content out and figure out how to speak to your audience, you're literally going to tell yourself, like, I can't believe this is all I had to do. Like, this is all I had to do was to make this type of money, and for my business to be successful like this, it's just to do this. It's just the content. And I think that's why I have such an emotional attachment to it, because when you start to do your content, your audience gets used to seeing you in a specific space. So when they see that black wall or this white wall, they know it's me. Like, I don't hardly do content on that pink wall. And I think I'm gonna actually paint that pink wall black. It's just something about that black and white space that just pops every time for me when I do my content. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. You be proud of you. You continue to do what it is that you need to do to grow and scale your businesses. Do not get attached to products. That's another thing that I had to learn with my business. Don't get attached to products just because you don't like selling it. It ain't for you to like. And I had to understand that, especially with my lock boots. I got tired of selling them, but it ain't for me to be liking or getting tired of sell. If somebody gonna buy it, continue to sell it. So do not have no type of emotional attachments to your products. Okay. Listen to your customers. Go through your customers' emails, comments, messages, and build your content off of the comments and DMs that they leave you. I promise you are answering questions that you can literally turn into engaging content. And it works. So I just wanted to make a quick video because I know I did have to come on here and record, and I definitely wanted to keep this up every week. And I actually have to record another video. So the next video that I'm recording for episode 6 in Business Gossip is going to be dissecting Swanka Posh, her funnel. So I have a bunch of notes on my page about Swanka Posh and her funnel. I love sis brand. Okay, baby. But we about to see what you got going on behind the scenes. We need to see what this funnel is like, because your content is chef kiss. So whoever owns Swanka Posh, I think I know who owned it though. I'm sure she's the owner. But girl, your content is chef kiss. The way you speak to your audience is very engaging. And I'm going to continue to support and be your customer, not only because you are a Black owned brand and I don't want to support you, baby. I'm buying because you sell quality shit. Okay. Let's normalize not supporting Black owned businesses, but purchasing and becoming a returning customer because they have amazing products and quality products. Okay. I cannot stand, oh, I want to support because you're Black owned. No, baby, support me because I got some good stuff. Okay. Support me because I have high quality products. Don't support me because of my skin color. let's normalize supporting because I got what you want. Okay. You're right. Let's do that. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching episode 5 of Business Gossip. I'm going to see y'all this week. Another episode will be uploaded Thursday. And remember to celebrate yourself, celebrate your small wins. And shout out to my best friend, Triante Gray, baby, because you done put a battery in my back. And I'm going to celebrate my small win today. And I love y'all. I'll see y'all Thursday. Peace.